Hi everyone, The Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to get this yellow dot on screen when tapping. Ever wondered how tech YouTubers show a little dot wherever they touch the screen during tutorials like this? So that's called a tap indicator. So it's already built into your phone, you just need to turn it on. So let me show you how to do this. So first go ahead and open up your settings. Go ahead and scroll all the way down. And here we need to enable the developer option. So you can enable this by going into About Phone, into the software information, and here tap on build number and tap on it at least 7 to 8 times. Once that is done, developer mode has been enabled. You'll get a message here. Go back. Now here, this is the new menu which you'll get called developer option. Tap on this. Now go ahead and scroll down and find the tap indicator. So in the input section, you'll see something called show taps. So this will show a visual feedback for taps. Make sure that is turned on for you. So once enabled, every time you touch your screen, you'll see a yellow dot appear on screen. If you go ahead and hold your screen and drag it around, you'll see a yellow dot following your finger. So this makes tutorial, gameplay videos, and app demos super easy to follow. It helps you see exactly where you're tapping during recording, and this is great for accessibility and teaching others how to use apps. This also gives your video a professional touch without needing editing software. So this one's perfect for content creators, anyone who records their screen often to show it to friends or family. So there you go guys, that is how to get the yellow dot on screen when tapping on your Samsung Galaxy device.